Planning a trip to Cameroon? Here's a quick guide to help you understand the Cameroon Tourist e-visa. The tourist visa lets you enter Cameroon for leisure, sightseeing, or cultural travel. Most travelers can stay for up to 90 days. You can choose from a few options. A transit visa for short stops up to 5 days. A short stay visa for visits up to 180 days. A long stay visa for 6 months to 1 year. And a special visa for travelers under 18. To apply, you'll need your valid passport, the completed visa form, passport-size photos, your flight booking, hotel confirmation, travel insurance, proof of funds, and a yellow fever vaccination certificate. The process is simple. Fill out the online form, upload your documents, choose your processing speed, and make the payment. Once approved, your e-visa arrives by email. Normal processing takes about 9 to 11 working days, with faster rush and super rush options available for an extra fee. You can request an extension for up to 90 days at the immigration office, but approval isn't guaranteed. Check your documents carefully before you apply, and get ready to enjoy your trip to Cameroon.